Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Rachel and today I want to talk to you about this earbud Lenovo GM3. I want to show you the unboxing, the full review, the sound test, the lay test, the microphone test. I want to see if this earbud is good or not, and I want to show you everything about this earbud. And if you like this earbud, I will leave the link in the description. You just click on the link and go to the website and have the same one for a good price. Okay, so come on with me and tell me if you like this or not. It's cute, it's a black box, have green lights and show the battery and everything. So come on for know more about these earbuds. So now I want to talk to you about the battery. In the case have 250 milliamp hours. In the earphones have 35 milliamp hours. So for you have a full charge, it's about an hour and a half. You can last about 3.5 hours. I think it's good. It's not too much, but it's good. Hey guys, this is the unboxing with Lenovo GM3. This is the box. It's a black box. Here have some information about the earbuds, and here you open. This is the menu. Have some information in English about the earbuds, about the battery, about how you use this, and here some information in Chinese and a couple pictures too. So this is the earbuds Lenovo. This is the case. You open the case here. Here have a green light, and here show the battery. And this is the earphones. This is how it looks like. And here is the cable for you charge. You charge right here. And here I have extras. I will show you how these earbuds look like in the ears. So this is the case. The case have a green light, and here show the battery. Okay, so you just open the case and put the earbuds in the ear, and they say something. So this is how the earbuds look like in the ear. They mute outside really good. It's comfortable, yeah. You can run, you can make a jam. It's not so comfortable, but it's still comfortable. And it's nice. Hey guys, this is the microphone test. So right now you listen to my voice with the earbuds Lenovo GM3. So what do you think? You can hear me good? You think the sound's good? The microphone? What do you think about that? Let me see, comment here. I think it's good. So now I will show you the sound test. So now I will show you the delay test without the mode game. So for you turn on the mode game on, you need tap for 2 seconds, and they're gonna have the light on like this. So this means the mode game is on. And now I'll show the delay test with the mode game with the game pub. Thank you for watching this video. This earbud Lenovo GM3. This is how the case looks like. This is the box. I hope you like this video. I think this earbuds is really good. It's comfortable. They mute outside really good. The sound, it's really good. So if you want to have the same one, I will leave the link in the description. Just go to the link, click and go to the website, and you can have the same one with a good price. So this is how it looks like. And if you want to know more about other earbuds, just tell me in the comments and give me a like, subscribe in this channel, and have a good day and see you.